God, that's a turd. I am currently heading to Glacier National Park, just leaving Whitefish, so it's about 30 minutes to get there. I'm super excited because I'm gonna be backpacking. The way backpacking works in Glacier is you have to get all kinds of permits. So they have campsites for backcountry camping. So I have to go to the ranger station and ask which ones are available. And basically they'll tell me which ones are available and ask which one I wanna do, and then from there I can reserve it. And I'm also gonna be cooking Huckleberry Bison Burgers because I think that's very fitting of Glacier. I will see you when we get there. And bam! $17 later, I got my permit and I got a map. So I have to go up this road, this is driving, and then I get here, which is the trailhead where I can park and then hike up to FLA. It's like 7 miles. Just gonna do an out and back trip, and they do say that this area is known for its bears because it goes through huckleberry fields. So that'll be fun. Make this video interesting, hopefully. And yeah, with these walk-in permits, they just kind of assign you one based on what's available, and that's what's available. So we're gonna make the absolute best of it. I'm gonna drive up there and see you when I get there. I believe I found the trailhead. I passed it, had to come back. So it's down this dirt road, which I like, it's out of the way, and I bet there'll be more parking. There we go, trailhead. Gonna eat a quick breakfast, then we're hitting the trail. Just got my bag all packed, I'm ready to go. Ooh. Let's get, oh, bam. Yeah, this has a lot of huckleberries here. Ooh. That's not the one I'm going to, so I guess that's good. All right, let's get it.
We're riding down the boulevard. We're riding through the dark night.
Flat top campground, 4.1 miles. Light work.
We're half a tank and empty heart.
So that couple I just ran into, they did the entire loop, which congrats. I think that takes 3 or 4 days, but it's like, I think 30-ish miles. That'd be awesome to do someday. They actually said yesterday they ran into a grizzly bear with some cubs, and they were like 30 feet away, came over a hill, and there she was, and didn't have to use bear spray. I mean, she was pretty chill. So, I mean, that's kind of exciting, kind of scary, you know, whatever, but they told me about Flat Top, which is where I'm going. They camped there last night. Sounds like it's an awesome spot, and I'm excited to get there. We will see what happens.
Pretending we're in love, but it's never enough. Not as the sirens fill the lonely air. Oh, how did we get here now, babe? We see a storm is closing in.
Found us some water, and it looks nice and chilly. I'm gonna hop in. That was nice. Alrighty then, let's get back to the trail. Woo!
Pretending we scared. Don't say a word while we dance with the devil. You brought a fire to a world so cold. We're out of time on a highway to never. Hold on.
I really should have looked at what huckleberry plants look like, because I'm not sure, but I've seen so many of these. I mean, it has to be, right? It has to be. Well, I don't know what it is, but it's kind of sour, so yeah.
Don't say a word while we dance with the devil. You brought a fire to a world so cold. We're out of time on
I don't know if I've expressed enough that this has been difficult. Come up a long ways. Whew. Ran out of water, so I'm gonna see what I can get out of this right here. Oh yeah. Oh.
A quarter tank and almost gone. Pretending we're in love, but it's never enough. Nah, I wish we could take it back in time before we cross the line. Now, man.
We got some bear poop. I think I'm almost to camp. Whew, I hope. It's starting to get grueling. Just straight uphill, whole way. Well, besides the first part, that was awesome, but sheesh. This is what I signed up for though. So let's get it.
We see a storm is closing in. I reach up for your hand. Don't say a word while we dance with the devil. You brought a fire to a world so cold. We're out of time on a highway to never hold.
I think I made it. I see a bag in a tree over there. So I think there's people here too, which is nice. Let's go. This is camp. Got myself a creek right there. Made it. I'm gonna unpack my bag, hang my food, set up my tent, and then we're gonna be cooking Huckleberry Bison Burgers. Home sweet home for the night. Looking good. I'd say it's about time to cook. I lied. I ended up taking a 20-minute power nap, but I'm ready now.
We've eaten our dinner. Now we're watching a cooking demonstration.
Yeah.
This is fantastic. What's your name?
I'm Tanner.
Tanner. That was a sketchy little trail.
Thoughts?
Mmm.
Good. That's what I want to hear.
That huckleberry jam, you guys need to get some of that.
And so at 10.
10 out of 10.
Look at this. Chef Tanner.
Huckleberry Bison Burger.
That's so good. That's good.
That is good. I was very surprised. It's not gamey or anything.
Yeah, maybe you should be a chef, dude.
That is amazing. That is awesome.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
They're biased. They've been out here for 5 days, so it might be terrible. You'll never know. Home. Cheers to a good day. That was super nice to meet all those people. I feel like anyone who's out here backpacking is always really chill. Feels a little bit safer with people around. As for the rest of the night, I'm just gonna relax in the tent. It's getting dark soon. I will see you in the morning. Good morning. I just woke up and it's raining. Looks like there's a little break. So I'm gonna take this chance to pack up camp and keep my bag dry. And the hike begins again. You've already seen the hike, so I'm just gonna teleport you to either the van or something really interesting that happens. I'm not at the van yet, but this view is really interesting. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now to the van. I have made it back to the van. I'm gonna shower because I feel absolutely disgusting. This is actually the first shower I'm gonna take in this van, so we'll see how it goes. And then I'm gonna cook the MRE that I was supposed to have for breakfast. I am showered and eating hot soup, which is amazing after being cold and wet and tired. It was definitely worth it. It was a really fun trip. Hard, backpacking is always hard, but there are some beautiful views and really cool things to see, and that bison burger was the best burger I've ever had in my life. Truly. I'm just gonna drive through Glacier, do the going to the sun road, exit out the east entrance, and then head out towards North Dakota.
You put a fire to a world so cold. We're out of time on a highway to never hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Don't say a word while we dance with the devil. You put a fire to a world so cold. We're out of time on a highway to never hold on, hold on, hold on.
I just left Glacier National Park. What a trip, that was awesome. Definitely a highlight in Montana. Glacier is ridiculously awesome, as you can see. But this is officially the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. It really helps out the channel, especially being new. I want to produce more content like this, so if you like it, please do that so that I can keep producing this. So I'm currently heading to North Dakota. That's gonna be where the next video is. I'll be doing something cool. I don't know what yet, but we'll figure it out.